Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bose Bluetooth Smart Portable Speaker. I got the white one here. It's nice and sleek and blends into the background pretty good. You have a handle here on top that you could use for carrying it around. You can see the controls here on the top of it, but you don't need to use the controls. The charging station, you just set on top of the charging station and it will charge. So that's cool. You don't have to worry about a cord. Let's listen to the speaker a little bit now.
Alexa, play Breakdown.
Breakdown by Mariah Carey, featuring Crazy Bone, Wishbone, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play music.
Here's a station you might like, Usher, on Amazon Music.
Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah! Okay! Usher.